Hi guys, it's Mr. David here. Today we are going to continue the lesson that we started a few days ago. That lesson was about summer. So that's right, today's lesson is about summer. In our last lesson, we looked at many pictures that were related to summer. Today we are going to revise those pictures, remember the names, what they mean, and then we're gonna have some grammar study about where and how. Are you ready? Let's start this lesson. So first of all, let's revise what we talked about last lesson when we said summer. What is summer? So summer is one of the 4 seasons we have, and it is normally the hottest season. Now let's revise the words that we learned in our last lesson. Let's look at those 2 pictures and try to remember the words. Do you remember? That's right, the first word was obviously vacation. When we think about summer, we think about holidays, about taking a vacation. And now a sentence. How can we use the word vacation? For example, I like to go to Spain on vacation. So that's a way to say that when you're on holidays, you like to go somewhere. So on vacation. Let's look at the next 2 pictures. So this was the word beach. And now let's use the word in a sentence. There are many beautiful beaches in the world. Let's look at our next 2 pictures. Do you remember what this is? This is camping. And now the sentence. It is very fun to go camping in the mountains. Now the next 2 pictures. So this was a hotel. So when you don't like camping, normally you would go to a hotel. And now the sentence. I have been in a hotel in Switzerland. Have you been in a hotel before? In which country? Now the next 2 pictures. These are very easy. So these are swimming pools. And now the sentence. People swim in swimming pools. It makes sense, right? Now the next 2 pictures. So this is an activity that people love doing during summer when it's really, really hot. And this is surfing. And now the sentence. He has never tried surfing. Have you tried surfing before? Now the next 2 pictures. So these are very important when it's really sunny and you can't see very well. So you need sunglasses to block the sun, to block the light from the sun. And these are sunglasses. And now the sentence. My sunglasses are black and red, and they are my favorite sunglasses. Now the next pictures. So these are what we use to swim, like the piece of cloth that we use to swim. And these are swimsuits. And now the sentence. We have 3 swimsuits. So in my family we have 3 swimsuits all together. Now the next 2 pictures. So you need these to go places. So normally you have to buy them. You buy them before and then you can go to a certain place. Someone will check it before. So these are tickets. And now the sentence. I bought plane tickets yesterday. What are the next 2 pictures? So people normally do this outside when they are hungry. So they prepare something outside. And it's really nice to be outside during summer doing this. So this is a barbecue. And now a sentence. They love vegetables barbecue. And I also love vegetables barbecue. It's amazing. Now the next 2 pictures. So people normally eat this during summer because it's really hot. and this tastes very good. So, and this is an ice cream. And now the sentence, my favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. What is your favorite ice cream flavor? Is it vanilla? Is it chocolate? Is it caramel? Now let's start our grammar topic of today. Today we are going to study two words. We are going to study the word where, and we're going to study the word how. Now, when we study the word where, we are talking about places where we can go. So for example, we can go to school, we can go to the supermarket, we can go to the pharmacy. And if you go to these places, people will ask you, where are you going? And you can say, I am going to school. I am going to the pharmacy. I am going to the supermarket. But because we're talking about summer, we are going to be talking about traveling. And traveling means different countries. So we have some questions like this one. Where are you traveling to? Where am I traveling to? Where is Miss Clara traveling to? And where are we traveling to? So we ask the word traveling because that's what it means. It means to travel to a different place. And now let's just think of a few examples. So that's me, so that's Mr. Davy, that's me. But let's talk about people. So people can travel to, for example, to Italy. People can travel to Turkey. People can travel to France. People can travel to Spain. People can travel to the UK. And people can travel to Russia. So these are just a few examples of some countries that we will study today. You can use other countries in different sentences. Then we have our second question. And our second question is how. So how are we traveling? How am I traveling? How is Miss Julia traveling? And how are we traveling? So how is the way we are traveling to a different place? So let's study a few examples. So in that picture we have Miss Clara and Miss Julia. But let's say people. So people can travel by plane. People can travel by bus. People can travel by bicycle. People can travel by motorbike. People can travel by horse. And people can travel by car. So these are the way that people can travel to different countries. So we ask the question, where are you traveling to? I am traveling to a country, for example. And how am I traveling? I am traveling by, for example, car. Let's do a task together. And I am sure that you will understand with this practice. Look at the pictures and then let's complete the sentences. For example, we have three pictures there. We have Mr. David, the flag of France, and we have a bicycle. So the first sentence is, I am traveling to. Can you guess where I'm traveling to? That's right. I am traveling to France, because we can see the flag of France. Now the second question, how am I traveling? So, am I traveling by bus? Am I traveling by car? Am I traveling by plane? No, I am traveling by bicycle, because we can see a bicycle in that picture. And then we make the sentence, we join the two sentences together. So, I am traveling to France by bicycle. And we make it just one sentence. Did you get it? Let's try that again. So now we have Miss Clara, the flag of Italy, and a horse. The first sentence is, Miss Clara is traveling to. So, where is Miss Clara traveling to? That's right. Miss Clara is traveling to Italy. Good job. Now the second question, How is she traveling? So Miss Clara is traveling by horse. Very good. Now let's just make one sentence. Miss Clara is traveling to France by horse. Very good. Let's give it another go. Now we have a picture of Miss Julia, the flag of Turkey, and a car, a yellow car. The first sentence is Miss Julia is traveling to... Where is she traveling to? She's traveling to Turkey. Very good. Now the second sentence. Miss Julia is traveling to by car. Very good. Now let's just make it one sentence. Miss Julia is traveling to Turkey by car. Very good. Let's try that again. So there we have Mr. David, that's me, the flag of the UK, and a bus. So I am traveling to the UK. Very good. I am traveling by... How am I traveling? Am I traveling by plane, by car, or by bus? What do you think? That's right. I am traveling by bus. And now the last sentence. Mr. David is traveling to the UK by bus. Very good. One more time. Now we have a picture of Miss Clara, the flag of Russia, and a motorbike. Let's see the first sentence. Miss Clara is traveling to Russia. Miss Clara is traveling by motorbike. And finally, Miss Clara is traveling to Russia by motorbike. Very good. One more time. We have a picture of Miss Julia, the flag of Spain, and a plane. So the first sentence, Miss Julia is traveling to Spain. Good. Miss Julia is traveling by plane. Very good. And finally, Miss Julia is traveling to Spain by plane. Did you get it? Very good job. Guys, today you did such an amazing work. Not only did we revise the pictures that we learned in our previous lesson, we also learned a new grammar topic with the questions where and how. Don't forget to do the tasks and keep practicing. I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!